Hey guys, William Saunders here, the co-founder of PMA, and I'm here to do our yearly report for December 2015. So for starters guys, upcoming changes, just for those of you that are not aware, the merchant account is back up and running, so you guys can go ahead and continue to select your tuition level and proceed forward. Okay, now we will be showing you guys the complete group share structure for 2016. Look towards that video. More than likely it's going to be inside the student lounge in the group share area. And you guys can basically see exactly how everything should be going, how it's going to be run, and everything in that nature. And all of your questions can pretty much be answered in that short presentation. Okay? So let's talk about PMA opportunity, guys. So basically, PMA opportunities are our community that's coming together for the community. So if you guys have a skill set or a talent that you're wanting to bring awareness to the community that you don't mind sharing, just go ahead and let us know. You could send in a support ticket and just basically brief describe your skill set. And then next we will go ahead and evaluate it and see if we can have it added to the community as well. All right, now most of you guys know our basic tuition is closed 100% to the public. We're no longer taking tuition for the basic level. This is basically going to be reserved for our HH program, so it's our Helping Hand program, where we're going to be working with designated churches, nonprofit organizations, and of course those who've served in the military. All right, so basically what we're going to do is to select a number of individuals that we can go ahead and grant them access to the basic level to where it can greatly impact their life, whether that means a much better mindset, better health, or just adding some supplement income for them. Okay, so if you guys know of any churches or nonprofit organizations that are registered with a tax ID or EIN number, then go ahead and just let them know about this and have them reach out to us, and we can go ahead and see how we can be of service to them. Okay, so for our January group webinar, guys, here we go. We got basic that's coming out for the 8th. We have novice on the 15th. Intermediate is going to be coming out on the 20th. Advanced is going to be coming out on the 24th. Okay, so these webinar sessions are going to be quite different from the ones that we've been doing for the past 2 years. Okay, so basically January we are starting off with a specific trading schedule that we are going to monitor on a month-to-month basis. Okay, so you guys are going to be giving the specific setups that you need to follow month to month, and we're going to track it together on our group webinars. Okay, so if we need to touch bases in regards to market analysis, I mean that's okay, that's no problem. But this is going to be more so of a live trade signal type of format, and ensuring that you guys are using the proper tools that's necessary to grow your account month by month. All right, so for Student Spotlight, I definitely want to congratulate Mia for joining our advanced tuition level. Patrick, welcome back, and I see you're on the novice tuition level. I want to welcome Warren. So I heard plenty of great things about you from Nelson, so looking forward to seeing how well you'll be able to take our information and propel within our community. I would like to congratulate Imani on successfully creating a trading schedule and getting ready to start live. Okay, so keep me updated on those details. I would like to also welcome John, Ali, and Dan to our advanced tuition level. So once again, congratulations to all you guys, and I look forward to working with you closely in the near future. All right, so with that being said, let's head over to our numbers now. Okay, so before we get into this section, guys, as always, please just understand a quick disclaimer. The results and stats that you guys are going to see here does not guarantee any earnings for yourself whatsoever. Your results will be determined on your trading balance, your risk management, and how well you're able to follow instructions. Okay, what we're doing here is just using this to demonstrate how powerful trading in general can be, and how having proper education can really propel your career forward. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So for the month of December, guys, I've only taken one trade, okay, and that trade was not a success. So more so towards the last week of November, I started to experience software issues with the platform. So that really affected my trading schedule the last week of November. And then moving in towards the first week of December, it really pulled a red flag for me. So I really didn't catch it until I had my other students that were taking the same trade on our expert level on some elite advanced students. And basically they were stating how it was successful for them. But basically that day I actually got my stop hit. So that's when I looked into the whole situation. So it literally took right around 5 weeks for me to get this whole thing corrected and adjusted with the broker. Now, rest assured, the broker did admit that there was some issue, but once I went off to the software providers of the platforms, they told me they couldn't do anything about it. So that was a huge loss of time for the most part, because I mean, it's, 30 days basically of trades that I could have taken that I did not take, but not to worry too much. We're going to pick back on things January and move up strong for February, all right? So for our intermediate student guys, we document 2 out of 3 portfolios that we get, and these are basically only for long-term trades, all right? So portfolio 40 and 41, we can see that for the month of December, they have taken 182 wins, 115 losses, a total profit of $338,000. Okay, once again, this is all the long-term trades as a collective whole, more than likely pertaining to the 5-bar breakout or the 80-20 analysis. Okay, so let's take a look at our advanced students. Alright, so our advanced student guys, we get 4 portfolios in a 30-day time frame. We just like to document 3 here. So for portfolio 61, they've taken 135 wins, 41 losses, a little over $185,000. For portfolio 62, 223 wins, 60 losses, a little over $342,000. And for portfolio 63, we see we have 127 wins, 35 losses, a little over $203,000. So for the month of December, our advanced students have gotten 485 wins, 136 losses, $731,250 of pure profit. Okay, once again, these are long-term trades using the alpha system, and these trades are basically from trading binary options. All right, so once we get our advanced students send in more of our forex trades from their own analysis, then we're going to go ahead and document that. Okay, so for the month of December, if we take our advanced students wins, losses, and profits, let's do the same thing for our intermediate students, wins, losses, and profits. We're going to get our grand monthly total. Alright, so for December, we've gotten 667 wins, 251 losses. We have a grand total profit of $1,069,250. Alright, so it's not too bad for a month such as December, especially it being the end of the year. So we got Christmas, and then New Year's right around the corner. Alright. So for the month of December, guys, as we can see here, we've taken 396 pips with our FX signals that we give out to our advanced students. Okay, now keep in mind these signals does not include our indices, so it's primarily just our forex and our commodities signals. Okay, so for the year of 2015, we have gotten 8,082 pips of gain that was given to our advanced students. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our grand monthly total for the year of 2015. So as we can see here, 2013 we did pretty good as well. 726 wins, 294 losses, a little over $753,000 of profit. 2014 was a lot better, 8,686 wins, 2,499 losses, $12.6 million worth of profit. And we can see for 2015, we've taken 13,043 wins, 4,108 losses, analysis, and we have a grand total of $6,817,809. All right, so congratulations to you all that are following the process, sitting in your portfolios for analysis, and for those that are actively involved within a community. Okay, so for 2016, I am definitely looking forward to staying laser focused from January all the way till December, non-stop. So just keep in mind, if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and send in the support ticket, attend the live trading sessions, ask your other colleagues, students, because once you guys get it, that is it. You have gotten it. And I want the best for everyone within the community, not only financially, but mentally and spiritually as well. All right, so congratulations to you all. You deserve a big round of applause. Okay, so let's go ahead and tally up my records. All right, so for 2014, I've taken 408 wins, 1 tie, 60 losses, $1.4 million of profit. 2015 was a little bit different. I wanted to do more of a percentage and steady track in the dollar amount, and also I have not traded binary options 2015. Okay, so when I was trading Forex, I've only gotten 311 pips. Okay, when I started trading my futures, I've gotten 3,793 pips. All right, this was equivalent to 1,642% gain. So just to put this in dollar amount, that means I could have taken $1,000 and turned it into about 17,000 within this time frame, or 10,000 and turned it into about 165,000, or 100,000 and turned it into $1.65 million with this percentage. Okay, so just keep in mind, as long as you guys are getting consistent results, that is the only thing that pretty much matters. 5-10% gain per month, roughly right around 120% gain per year. And this consistency will definitely open up doors within the trading community, especially ours, and within the investing community. Okay, all right, so once again, make sure you guys stay focused this year, stay on track, follow the process, do the assignments and quizzes, and use the resources. All right, and remember, we do have live chat support now, so if you guys want that quick response, go ahead and do that. All right, and I wish you guys much success, and of course, happy trading, and let's not forget, Happy New Year's.
Champagne and the fireworks are through. Here we are, me and you, feeling lost and feeling blue. It's the end of the party, and the morning seems so gray, so unlike yesterday. Now's the time for us to say Happy New Year. Happy New Year. fireworks are through. Here we are, me and you, feeling lost and feeling blue. It's the end of the party, and the morning seems so gray, so unlike yesterday. Now's the time for us to say Happy New Year, Happy New Year. May we all have a vision now and then of a world where every neighbor is a friend. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. May we all have our hopes, our will to try. If we don't, we might as well lay down and die. You and I. Sometimes I see how the brave new world arrives, and I see how it thrives in the ashes of our lives. Oh yes, man is a fool, and he thinks